Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to make the world's best hot chocolate. What you will need are chocolate powder, heavy cream, some salt, we're gonna use a pinch of that, condensed milk, and regular milk. I am using lactose because that's what I have currently, but you can use any kind of milk you want. You could even use the carnation milk. And I will also use cinnamon stick and vanilla extract. Everything that I'm using will be listed in the description box below. And also guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Keep on watching. Bye.